Many programmable systems are based around a small chip or integrated circuit called a microcontroller. This stores the program that controls the system. It also has ports for the connection of input and output devices. These might include input sensors to detect changes in the environment and outputs for light, sound and movement. There are many different ways to put the program into the microcontroller. The most common methods are flowchart software and programming languages such as BASIC and C. Often the designer will create a flowchart to map out the proposed program before converting it into actual program code. Microcontrollers are used throughout programmable systems, including biomedical machines.
My research surrounds the area of synergizing, combining both motion and muscle activity from humans. I do that using an inertial measurement unit, which contains accelerometers and gyroscopes, much like what's found in your phone. When you rotate your phone, the screen moves, and it does that using accelerometers. I use the same technology. On the other side, I'm using something called mechanomyography to pick up mechanical response. It does that by a vibration contraction. When you contract the muscle, the microphone in this is picking up the contraction there. So what I have here today is I'm using both motion and muscle activity to be able to not only control a hand, a prosthetic hand, to open and close, but also to change gesture. So the hand has a number of programmed gestures. So one would be closing the hand like so, another would be closing like so, and so on. And my use of my technology is able to change between those gestures using just the sensors found here. Generally, I use something called MATLAB, which is a development environment. It is quite high level in comparison to other languages such as C and C++, but it comes with a whole range of libraries and functions built in, which makes programming and prototyping much easier. There's many different ways in which to program, but my method is to keep it very simple and build from there. So in terms of my sensors, I was able to transmit the signals, and then from there I was able to use that to control the robot hand.
Programming allows a collection of fairly standard parts to produce some very complicated outcomes. This adds greatly to the ability of the product to meet the user's needs, whether that be in the industry for cars, toys, or medical advancement.